It's actually the most difficult thing on Monday morning. Yep, and at its peak on Monday morning, you've got a departure averaging once every 30 seconds, which is about 4 times the rate of Heathrow Airport.
Final year and the final time ever here at RIAT to present the 2019 Royal Air Force Tucano display. That distinct noise you'll hear throughout the display is the uprated Garrett TPE turboprop engine fitted to the RAF Tucano by Shorts in Belfast. This particular engine boasts more power than the original Tucano design. As Liam returns back towards crowd centre, you'll see him roll the aircraft through 720 degrees in a 5-point roll. This year's Tucano display is supported by Babcock International Group, who provide engineering and ground support to the RAF Tucano fleet at its home in RAF Tucano in Yorkshire, and the team's thanks go out to them for helping us to make this display possible. Liam now pulling up for the start of the loop, where he'll peak upside down at the height of his career. As Liam completes his noddy stall turn, he's going to dive back down for some energy and return with a quarter clover back onto the display line. Students graduating from the Tucano will go on to fly the new Hawk T2 that is based at RAF Valley in North Wales. The Tucano, now at the end of its service, has served 30 years with the #1 flying training school, the oldest military flying school in the world. As it finishes its final year of service, the Texan T1 aircraft is working up to replace the Tucano as part of the new UK MFTS, and will also fly out of RAF Valley based in North Wales. Displaying just before us was the Grub Tutor. The Grub Tutor is the starting point for fast jet flying, and both Liam and I flew that aircraft during our time as air cadets and during our own military flight training. Now the UK military are working up brand new aircraft as part of the UK military's world-class flying training system, UK MFTS.
Hopefully we're going to go down to that next section.
Now running away from the... This is Liam's first season as a display pilot and the Tucano's very final year, so a very momentous occasion for 72 Squadron. For the keen photographers in the audience, if you keep your display! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's been an absolute pleasure to talk to you today, and I hope you've enjoyed watching the display as much as Liam has enjoyed flying it for you. We hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon at RIAT, and we look forward to meeting as many of you as you can.